I've been an iPhone user for at least 10 years, but I might have to do this. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video from Ruby's Corner. Today, it's going to be a special video today. We're going to be unboxing this beast. So let's get right into it, you know? This is it. Here we have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This might be the one. I don't even want to look at the back yet. I'm just gonna put it aside real quick. So we have this little tab right here that comes with this the block. This is a 25-watt block, so this is a super fast charging. This is the little USB-C to USB-A connector. This is the actual cord. Other side. And these are the headphones, AKGs. So let's get into this. So I haven't seen the back yet. Here's the back. You can see it reflects in the light, and it kind of turns into a mirror as soon as you see it head on. Alright, let's just look at this one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. So there's no button on this side anymore. On the right side it's just smooth. The left side, they moved over the power button to right here. So let's power this up. Just go ahead and take this off real quick. So I'm going to set up this phone real quick and I'll be right back. So right now I'm setting up the security lock. So we'll see how well this works. Alright, here we go. What the? That was quick. Alright. So as this phone's finishing up, so there's the 3 cameras in the back. Dang, this is a fingerprint magnet over here. That's gonna be fun. There's a little speaker. As you can see, there's no headphone jack. There's the USB-C charger, microphone right there. So I got the phone all set up. So the coolest thing about this is right there. You can open apps, take pictures, control music, and more without touching your screen. To use an air action, just press the pen button or hold it down. Make a gesture, then release the button. Pen button is right down the middle. I like this. I've been an iPhone user for at least 10 years. This is a big jump. I have the iPhone XS Max right here, but I might have to do this. Oh, I forgot this one left. Oh, there it is. I think I'm gonna do this, guys. Goodbye, iPhone. Hello, Galaxy. Here we go. SIM cards in there. This is it. There we go. It's restarting. I can't get over that background. That is so nice. I am so glad I got that Aura Glow. I've been playing with this phone for a little bit, trying to set it up, and this is gonna be the phone. It's gonna be my go-to phone. I'm definitely gonna come back with updates because I'll be going from 10 years of iPhone to Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'll let you guys know how this goes. This is gonna be a fun adventure. I'm excited.